using the Init method. In the beginner course, we learned about object-oriented programming, classes, and objects. Remember the big party we attended? In that example, we met some new friends, Eve de la Cruz and Adam Perez. But that's only 2 of the people you met in that big party. What if you met 5 more people? Or 10? Or 15? Does that mean you should manually write code for every single guest? It's time to finally use methods. We'll be using the Init method in our guest class. The Init method is a constructor in object-oriented concepts. It's used to assign values to object properties or other operations that are necessary when the object is being created. We'll start by creating our guest class. Let's use the def keyword and the init method. Instead of manually typing everyone's data, we'll set our instance variables and input the information we need. If you remember, we want to get the first name, last name, interest, and phone number of the people at the party. Self represents the instance of our class. We can use it to access attributes and methods. Using self, let's create instance variables. We'll have instance variables named first, last, interest, and phone. All right, now let's add Eve and Adam. We can use the same variables, which are g_1 and g_2, like so. Type guest, which is our class. And within the parentheses, you can now write their information. Then, if we want to get Eve's last name, we can simply type this. And her last name will be printed on our console. Now, let's print Adam's phone number. Awesome! Let's see who else we met at the party. We have 3 more friends, Mike, Katie, and Bert. Here's their info. We can save these guests using the following variables. Let's start with Mike. Remember to put his information in the same order as our instance variables: first, last, interest, and phone. Let's do Katie and Bert. Finally, let's access Mike's phone number, Katie's interest, and Bert's last name. And that's it. In this video, we learned how to use the Init method for our classes. See you next time!